you can see, the pump is off. Because it is seized up and choked. So I gotta take it out. I got actually a spare motor. I have to rebuild it. Shouldn't take that long, but got all this water coming out of the stupid louvers over here. See if I can fix that. I hate dealing with water shit. I know Eric probably likes this shit, but I don't. Just everything just gets eaten away. It's so corrosive in here. But it's not gonna be a very long video. I'm just gonna do what I can, get this going as fast as possible. Just kind of show me probably building that, put it back together, and just, it's not gonna be a detailed, thorough video of how to replace the spray pump. Because like I said, I don't have time to do that. But I mean, it is what it is. That's cute right there. But actually, not too long I did a maintenance on this unit, and it was doing fine. I even sprayed down my bolts just so this shit's getting all eaten up. It's fucking so corrosive in here. But alright, let's get this shit out of here and fucking get it done. Alright, so I got it taken apart. As you can see, my seal kit's right here, so I'm about to get a new one. I think I have this one in my van. I'll have to look. If not, I'm gonna have to run and grab one. I'm pretty sure that's the bearings in here. I can just feel it turning it. That impeller looks like straight shit. You see, it's definitely aged pretty well. But yeah, let me get the new motor put together and get this thing back and going. Alright, so got the new motor in. This baby is good to go. I'll probably end up breaking down the other motor just to check out what caused it to pretty much fail, which I think it's pretty much going to be the bearings. And then I'm going to see if I can actually grease the bearings. Because a lot of times I've been breaking these apart and the bearings in there are sealed, even though you got Zerk fittings on here. So yeah, this is up and going. See you on the next one. So as you can see, I got the motor taken apart just to see what failed inside. As you can see, there's all this red crap everywhere. Never seen a motor kind of this bad. All this red dust is all over the place. This is the rear of the motor. This is the front bell. So there's our relief plug. There's our Zerk. No grease, but this is a sealed bearing. This is the front one. So if you were to grease that, it's not going to go nowhere in here because this is a sealed bearing. Now our corporate is right here. As you can see, this bearing's toast. You got pieces of ball bearing right here that fell out. But like I said, the shield is on. So if you try to grease these bearings on this motor, you're just going to be pumping the inside of this bell full of grease. It's not going to be greasing anything inside these bearings. So why even put the Zerks on there? I don't know. You can ask Maldor that, but I'm showing you right here. Do not grease these bearings because they are sealed. And this is not the first motor I've taken apart where it's been like that. So You guys out in the field, if you want to go and grease them, this is on the smaller horsepower. On the bigger horsepower, like 30 and up, those bearings, the shields are gone. But on those smaller ones, they've all been on there. So you're not going to grease none of the bearings. Just thought I'll show you, see what happened, why this motor took a shit. As you can see, the back one. So I got the new one on there, and it's working fine. We'll see how long that one lasts. We can't grease them, so let's just hope for the best. See what happens. Yeah. See you on the next one.